ำเตือนคลิปนี้มีเนื้อหาที่พูดภาษาอังกฤษเด็กที่มีอายุไม่ถึงเกณฑ์หรือว่าไม่ถึง13 ปีเนี่ยจะดูไม่เข้าใจนะครับเพราะว่ามันเป็นภาษาอังกฤษแล้วจะ10 ขวบขึ้นไปนะครับค่อยเก่งภาษาอังกฤษนิดนึงนะเข้าใจอย่าลืมบอกไปมันคือการเล่นเกมนะครับไม่ใช่หนังอะไรทั้งสิ้นเล่นเกม
It's fine. We'll be back before we know it. Good, because I have my college application review with the school counselor. Oh, you finished your essay? Haven't started. Oh, well, let's get to the city and take care of Marco quick then. We got a sandy situation, Spider-Man. Let's move. We better get to Sandman quick. Hey, MJ.
Hey guys, you might want to get downtown fast.
Swinging through Brooklyn. Jameson have you on the ground for the bugle? Still can't believe old Triple J is your new boss. We have to go. I think we found him! Marco! What the? That's Sandman? MJ wasn't kidding! We gotta help him before he hurts someone! Or himself! Maybe he's hungry! Should toss the big guy a snack! He's really lost at this time! We gotta stop him! Quick! Let's send that debris right back to him! He's lining up, bro! Open wide! I forgot how much sand hurts! What's the plan? Keep him busy! I got an idea! Oh, crap. Still angry after all these years, Marco? You should try yoga! Must be more of a Pilates guy. That was your idea? Never said it was a good one! It was supposed to be a normal day. Teach physics, have awkward conversations in the teacher's lounge. Everything's gonna be okay! Gotcha! Spider-Man! Think you can sign for this delivery? It's coming in hot! I'm there! I got him! Mini Marcos? I wish I could do that. Set Mr. Airstick down, but not before he barked on my suit. He He's not the only one. Sandman just puked out some new friends. What the? He can do that? Apparently. Need you now.
Mr. Parker?
I'm sorry, who's this?
Principal Evans.
Of course, Principal
All students have evacuated their classroom. Where are you? Mr. Parker!
I just forgot something in my car.
What was that?
Nothing. I'm just. It worked? I mean, I'm just running back right now.
Get back here and supervise your students, or else.
That does not sound good. Otto's old research really came through for these arms.
Almost there. How you holding up?
Miles? Principal Evans called.
Oh, man. Am I getting expelled?
Hey, you're just cutting class. I abandoned students during a citywide emergency.
Yeah, you're screwed.
Sandman!
I always hated that name.
I know you're angry at me.
This has nothing to do with you. Leave me alone!
I want to help you. But it's gonna hurt first.
Guess he wasn't happy to reconnect.
Yeah, he's not really the nostalgic type.
Let me go, or I'll kill you.
He's not listening. We gotta turn it up a notch.
How?
He hates water. His shoulder's already wet.
Bet he's not a big fan of electricity then either.
Read my mind. Felt that all right. We need more water though.
I'll hit him with webs while I get Sparky.
I'll keep the water flowing in the meantime. He's stunned. Take your shot. Somebody order some water.
Bang!
Fireman, watch out!
No, 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 no!
You okay?
I'm working on it!
Thought I lost you there.
Can't get rid of me that easy. Time for Genki to work his magic. Genki, you there? Dude, nuts. I know, man. But listen, we need a big water source by Wall Street.
Let me check the grid. Stay safe, dude. You too, Mr. Parker.
Will do. Wait, what? He knows?
Genki knows all. Plus, we were super weird in class earlier.
Knew I never should have taught at a gifted school.
I do not like sand. Spider-Man?
I just wanted to live normal, like everyone else.
This isn't the way, Marco.
For a guy like me, there is no other way.
What happened? I ended up outside. Just keep going up and I'll meet you at the roof. This water tank's our only shot. All this destruction from one guy. Where are you, Pete?
Get back here.
Stay inside! Guess he's busy. Gonna be a long day if we don't get that water tank. Keep it moving, Miles.
I just wanted a regular life.
You can still have one!
It's too late now.
Oh, man! Why couldn't Marco just make sandcastles instead? Ma, everything okay? Almost Pete.
I know. You're on every channel. I'm heading downtown to help coordinate resources and supplies. Is Genki covering for you at school?
He is. But I got this meeting with my counselor later, and the principal thinks
Listen,
that
I can talk to your principal, but New York needs you right now.
Coolest mom ever.
And please, be careful. Te quiero, mi hijo.
Like Ma said, can't let New York down. You're only making it worse for yourself, Marco!
I don't care.
Wish I could just write about this for my essay. I'd get into any college I wanted. Or Spider-Man would. Right. Brainstorm later, Miles. Focus. How's it going, Spider-Man? Almost there. The water tank's ours. Actually, it's his now. Hey, sorry, what'd I miss? He's trying to eat me! Let's give him a drink instead! Did we do it? Nope. Pete! Break out the new toys! The suit's last software patch wasn't stable, but here goes nothing! The web wings? They're flying! But we're not out of this yet. Marco's at Pier 4 Beach. What happens if he gets all that sand? Think he just did! Gonna need you ASAP, Miles! Yeah, I see him all right. I'm right behind you. Miles? Miles! just get myself into? You gotta calm down, Marco! Innocent people are in danger!
Care about them, but not me. They wouldn't listen to Marco, but they can't ignore Sandman.
Yeah. Class is back in session. Bogey right. Like when I shot the minis. Good? We're good. I have sand everywhere. Marco, it's gonna be okay.
I haven't been okay for a long time.
If you need help, all you have to do is ask.
You're the ones who are gonna need help when they come for you.
Come for us.
You grow slow in your old age, Sergei. A fate you will not share. I've been in your shadow for hours, but you sense nothing. Pathetic. I asked for an equal. And this is what you find.
Sir, perhaps a new hunting ground.
Light the fires. The great hunt begins.